Looking for a waterfront cottage? Well, look no further than this waterfront cottage on beautiful Lake Eugenia, the best four-season lake in Ontario. This cottage is in a prime location to enjoy the Beaver Valley and all this four-season area has to offer, from skiing, hiking, and of course, the water activities on the lake. My favorite features of this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom waterfront cottage are the property faces northwest, giving you sunsets. It also has a nice deep lot. It has a great upper deck to sit and enjoy the waterfront views. It has a propane fireplace on both levels to warm up by on those chilly days. It also has a ductless cooling system to keep you cool on those hot summer days. It has a family room with a lower level walkout to an outdoor patio, which is perfect for relaxing or outdoor dining with a view of the lake. It also has an oversized single-car detached garage. So come, experience cottage life on Lake Eugenia year-round. So for more information, click the link or contact us at info@candskirealty.ca.